The art of making money while you sleep. Welcome to our video, where we'll teach you the art of earning money while you sleep. In this fast-paced world, it's hard to find time for ourselves, let alone a side hustle. That's where affiliate marketing comes in. With just a few clicks, you can start earning passive income. We'll take you through 5 simple steps that anyone can follow, even if you're a beginner. Step 1. Finding your niche. The first step in affiliate marketing is finding your niche. A niche is a specific area that you want to focus on. It can be anything from beauty products to gardening tools. Finding your niche is crucial as it will help you target a specific audience. Think about what interests you and what you're passionate about. That's where you should start. Once you've found your niche, it's time to move on to step 2. Step 2. Finding the right affiliate program. Now that you've found your niche, it's time to find the right affiliate program. There are numerous affiliate programs out there, but not all of them will be the right fit for you. Look for an affiliate program that aligns with your niche and has products that you believe in. You want to make sure that the products you promote are of high quality and are something that your audience will be interested in. Step 3. Building your website. Once you've found the right affiliate program, it's time to build your website. Your website is where you'll promote your affiliate products. Make sure your website is easy to navigate and has a clean design. You want your audience to be able to find what they're looking for quickly. Don't forget to include high-quality content that's relevant to your niche. This will help build trust with your audience. Step 4. Driving traffic to your website. Now that you have your website up and running, it's time to drive traffic to it. There are numerous ways to do this, including social media, email marketing, and paid advertising. Find what works best for you and your niche. You want to attract as many people to your website as possible. Step 5. Analyzing and optimize your results. The final step in affiliate marketing is analyzing and optimizing your results. Look at what's working and what's not working. You want to optimize your website and your marketing strategies to get the best results possible. Don't be afraid to make changes and try new things. This is an ongoing process that requires constant attention. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've made it to the end of our video on 5 simple steps to make passive income with affiliate marketing for beginners. We hope you've learned something new and are ready to start earning passive income. Remember, finding your niche, choosing the right affiliate program, building your website, driving traffic, and analyzing and optimizing your results are the 5 simple steps to success in affiliate marketing. With hard work and dedication, you can start earning money while you sleep. Imagine waking up to a notification that you've made a sale. The feeling of earning money while you're not even actively working is something special. It's the ultimate form of freedom. You can spend your time doing what you love while still earning an income. So, what are you waiting for? Take the first step towards financial freedom and start your journey in affiliate marketing today. But remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and patience. Don't give up if you don't see immediate results. Keep pushing forward and remember why you started. The art of earning money while you sleep is not a dream, it's a reality. And with these 5 simple steps, it can be your reality too. So, start your journey today and watch as your passive income grows. The sky is the limit, and the possibilities are endless. Be sure to subscribe to this channel so that you will be notified when another related video is posted. Any questions or helpful comments may be posted in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we will be looking forward to seeing you in another video.